There goes Leo. He is riding a bike by himself. And here comes Lex with still his training wheels. Leo is riding and turning like an artist.
Oh, Leo, keep going.
He is such a great guy. He can go, and there's Lex right behind him trying to catch up for the famous Leo bike rider. Oh, and here comes Lex behind him. Oh, and there's Leo still going. Oh, Leo just crashed.
Are you okay?
And Lexi's still going. There goes Leo.
Go ahead, honey.
Again. He is doing pretty good on his bike riding.
Here comes me.
And Lex is always following him. There's Mama. Oh, and he just crashed. That was a bad crash. But
Here, you can go past Daddy's shoes and go right around the shoes.
here's Leo. This is the fifth movie in one day. You won't believe it. If I'm not mistaken, but it might be. Tell me if it's not. There goes Leo. He is really going good. I wish I could ride that, but I can't.
That's it, Leo. Keep going.
Oh, Leo got a crash.
I'm still riding.
Of course you are, Lex. Leo, say I'm the best bike rider in the world.
I'm the best bike rider in the world. No.
So this is, I think it's six.
No, me.
Just forget about the six and just forget about the numbers. Lex, oh, they still crash. I can't believe it. I'm not going to say anything in this movie. This is just a plain old
I'm
movie.
going around.
I'm in the grass. I know they're all playing on movie. No talking. I'm not going to talk anymore in any of these movies. Leo, say I'm always the best bike rider in the world.